Hi everyone, welcome back to another studio vlog. I can't remember if I said that already or not. I can't remember. Also, ignore the sound of my printer going and my little pimple patch. It's been one of those days. I've been so disorganized and scatterbrained this week so far. I don't know what's going on. But I'm finally starting to get my head on, which is funny because it's Thursday. So yeah, it's just since Halloween, I just feel like I've been playing catch up. But I did a bunch of Patreon stuff this week already, and a bunch of admin stuff, which I just didn't really film. Also, my studio was a disaster, so I've done a little bit of tidying up. This weekend, I'm actually going to be doing a relatively big change. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later though, because I can't show you right now. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a overhaul of my studio this weekend, so I'm pretty hyped about that. And I wanted to touch base with you guys because it is currently November 4th. Again, excuse my printer. It's currently November 4th, which means I need to get my winter update out ASAP. I do not know why my printer is being so loud and obnoxious. After my Halloween update went out so late, I really wanted to try and get my winter update out early, but I just feel like there's no time. Like, does anybody else feel like that around Halloween and winter? That your updates have to go out back to back basically? Or I guess I needed to be more prepared with my Halloween update, so that came out earlier so that my Christmas update wouldn't feel like it's so close. Anyway, I'm really struggling. And I think no matter how hard I try, my winter update is going to be late. I just wanted to pop in to say that I ordered a whole bunch of parts to make new earrings. I make all the clay bits, but I assemble them with all these different metal bits. Some of them I order overseas, some of them I order from Amazon, some of them I order from other Etsy shops. I kind of just get the metal bits and assemble everything here and then hand make all the clay stuff. But when I ordered all the metal charms and stuff, the shipping was insane time-wise, and I was hoping that they would be here weeks ago already, but they're still not here. But I checked again today and it looks like they're close, so fingers crossed they get here this week still. We'll have to see. But anyway, let's get into the studio vlog. Let's do some more stuff. Let's be super productive. Let's go. It's so dark and dreary, so I wanted to show you guys my soup by the window. Look how good it looks. It's sweet potato soup, and then I have this nut bread stuff, and it's so good. Oh my gosh. Alright, so you guys know about my struggles with paper cutters, guillotines, whatever you call them. You guys know. I think it was my last video, or the video before, but I had my big, massive industrial paper cutter thing that I tried to get work. Couldn't get it to work. So I ended up returning it. We tried so hard. Between me and my dad, we tried everything and it just did not want to cooperate. It wasn't cutting straight. The clamp was leaving dents in the paper. It was just a whole nightmare and a half. So after weeks and weeks and weeks, I finally decided to just return it. So that leaves us here. I still need a new cutter because I need something to cut my papers with, but I'm very scared because I've had such bad experiences, and it just seems like every cutter that I look at has bad reviews. There's good ones too, but there's a lot of bad ones. So this one is one, I can't remember the name of the company, but I'll put it somewhere, because this one was made by a company that primarily makes paper cutters, guillotine paper cutters, which is perfect because I feel like some of the places that I got paper cutters from before, they made other industrial things and just random other things as well. But this company, they focus just on guillotine cutters. So I'm hoping that that's a really good sign. They also have a 10-year warranty on this, which is insane to me. So that also is making me feel confident. Let's open her up. Also, I just want to say too, I could lift this by myself, and that is also a bonus because the other one I couldn't. Look how pretty it is. It smells good too. That's so weird to say, but it smells good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first off, this thing's freaking beautiful. Second off, it's a much more manageable size, and it's a lot lighter than that other beast of a metal one. So, I mean, it's still huge, but it fits on my desk and I can carry it by myself, so that's a plus. I have to put these little nubbies on it. So I'm gonna put the little nubs on the bottom. And also, it did say that you might have to fiddle with adjusting it to get a straight cut. And that's actually why I ended up getting this one, because I knew that if it was adjustable, I could work with it to get a straight cut. My dad has like a bunch of tools and like he has experience with stuff like that. So with his help, I can get it cutting straight. Whereas a lot of these cutters are not adjustable at all. And then if you have it slightly off, for precision cuts, you're kind of just screwed. So anyway, hopefully I can get this to work. It also does say that it wants you to apply left pressure while you're cutting, which I feel like is pretty common for guillotine cutters anyway. So I'm excited to freaking try it. Ah! Alright, I'm losing my light fast. It's like almost 6:30, I think. Also, I'm streaming tonight at 7, which is exciting. But I'm gonna try this baby out. So let's try it. I'm so dumb. I can't try it yet. I didn't finish the sheets. This thing cuts like actual butter. It's crazy. So far, I'm excited. The very first cut I made, I forgot to like pull the blade to the left when I pushed it down. And it was ever so slightly off. I feel like you won't even be able to tell. Can see it's like a little thicker down there, and then it goes like I didn't at the very end. I needed to pull it to the left and I didn't, and I think that's why that happened. But ever since I've been pulling it to the left, it seems to be straight. I'm gonna do more tests. I don't want to get too excited because that's what happened last time. I'm gonna do more tests, but so far I'm pleasantly optimistic. Okay, I almost dropped my phone. It is almost stream time. Look at my cool lights in the back. Also, I still have my Halloween pillows, so don't judge me for that, but it's okay. Yeah, I'm just about to stream. I've never streamed this late in the evening before. I'm switching it up this time, this week. I'm trying something different. And honestly, I don't know how it's gonna go. I feel kind of sleepy, but also cozy, and I had a full, pretty productive day before this, so I think I'll be able to just like chill on stream and have a smoothie. So yeah, I'm gonna play some Animal Crossing because the update just came out, or part of the update came out, but the rest of it's coming tomorrow. But yeah, anyway, I'm really excited, so hopefully it goes well. Hi everybody. So upon editing this video, I decided that I'm going to split it into two parts because I have quite a lot of footage of my next couple days, which I really wanted to show you in this video and I talked about earlier in the intro, but I've decided it's just going to be way too big, so I'm cutting it. So basically, in my next video, I'm going to take my desktop and completely refinish it. And I've decided, editing Krista, aka me, has decided that I'm going to dedicate a whole video just to that because I have so much footage. So I'm going to wrap this video up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys really soon in the next video. Goodbye.